Hey guys, in this part we talk about quotation and citation elements in HTML. HTML block quote for quotations. The HTML block quote element defines a section that is quoted from another source. Browsers usually indent block quote elements. So, for example, create a block quote and I copy the content and paste here and cite, and for example http example.com, and so HTML. So see the result here. Ctrl S and Ctrl R, the indent. HTML for short quotations. The HTML tag defines a short quotation. Browsers normally insert quotation marks around the quotation. So, for example, create a p tag and, for example, I say and q tag and hello, and Ctrl S, Ctrl R. I say and hello in double quotes. HTML abbr for abbreviations. The HTML abbr tag defines an abbreviations for an acronym like HTML, CSS, and etc. Marking abbreviations can give useful information to browsers, translation systems, and search engines. Tip: use the global title attribute to show the description for the abbreviation or acronym when you mouse over the element. So put the HR tag and so create a p tag and the abbr, and title is World Health Organization. I'm sorry, organization. And in content is who was found in 1948. Ctrl S and Ctrl R. The who was found in 1948 and mouse over in who, and the tooltip is show. HTML address for contact information. The HTML address tag defines the contact information for the author or owner of a document or an article. The contact information can be an email address, URL, physical address, phone number, social media, or etc. The text in the address element usually renders in italic, and browsers will always add the line break before and after the address element. So create an address tag and so I copy the content and paste here and Ctrl S and Ctrl R, the italic and HTML site for work title. The HTML site tag defines the title of a creative work. A person's name is not the title of a work. The text in the site element usually renders in italic. So create a p tag and cite tag and the screen by Edward Munch, painted in 1893, and Ctrl S and Ctrl R. The screen by Edward Munch, painted in 1893. HTML BDO for BI directional override. The HTML BDO tag is used to override the current text direction. So for example, create a BDO tag and set the direction to RTL. By default is LTR, and so this text will be written from right to left. Ctrl S and Ctrl R. The text written from right to left.